I just make a 25k withdrawal from one of my prop firm accounts. As you already know, I trade multiple prop firm accounts. So this is just a withdrawal from one of them. I usually don't post my withdrawals on the channel. I'm kind of a private person. I think the last time I did this was around August. Yeah, we just started this channel then. So I actually posted my withdrawal. That was about, I think, 18k withdrawal from Finotive. I'm going to look for that post and I'm going to show it here on the screen so that you can see. Then we're having about 30 to 40 subscribers. Then we're not much like this. This video actually is not a show off. I am doing this to help those who may need the piece of information I have to share. In this video, I'm going to be talking on 3 things. Number 1, why you need a prop firm account. Number 2, how I trade prop firm accounts. And number 3, how I was able to trade 8 accounts for 5 different prop firms. But before I do that, kindly hit the subscribe button if you also want to make this type of withdrawals. Anyways, I'm joking with you guys, but kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video and comment what you think about this video. Right, I'm always available in the comment section to communicate with you guys, and any question you may have, you can also drop it in the comment section. Now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Number 1, why you need a prop firm account. Now, this is why you need a prop firm account. $100, $200 cannot make you money in the forex market. In fact, $300, $400, $500 cannot make you enough money in the market. I mean, you got bills to pay. Now, if you want to trade forex realistically, forget about flipping accounts. Flipping accounts is only going to make you burn more accounts. Alright, flipping account is constantly going to keep you in pains. Alright, so you can only make a certain percentage every month. You can put a certain percentage as your target. Is it 2%? Is it 3%? Is it 5%? As a matter of fact, big firms like hedge funds, central banks and all, they don't flip accounts. This flipping of accounts mostly thrives within or amongst we retail traders. So if these big guys don't flip accounts, who are you? I'm sorry, no offense, but who are we? Because I'm also in the clique of retail traders, right? So the focus, you're trading a $100 account, $200 account and focusing on flipping that account is unrealistic, and you are going to end up burning more accounts than you profit. All right, over a long period of time, you are going to constantly remain a losing trader. All right, if you know you are very good and you can easily flip $100 account or flip $200 account, then imagine what you do with a prop firm account. Imagine you get a prop firm account of as little as $5,000, at least with MFF. MFF offers one of the cheapest accounts out there in the market for a very, very cheap price also. So I think they offer around 5k accounts. So imagine what you can do with a 5k account or a 10k account or even a 20k account, depending on the capital with which it's available to you to actually purchase this account. So if you think it's easy for you to flip a $100 account or a $200 account, why not buy an evaluation account with one of these prop firm and flip that, right? And if you're actually scared to purchase this account, maybe because you are not sure in your trading capabilities, then you shouldn't even be trading a live account at all, except maybe you just want to experience the live market. All right, but you are willing to lose that money. All right, but if that is not the case and you are actually planning on flipping that money or growing that $100 or $200 account, then you should go for a prop firm account and flip that, right? So, but to be able to trade a prop firm account, you actually need to master the art of trading. All right, you need to gain experience. You need to actually learn the skill, all right, properly. So that will be all for number 1, which is why you need a prop firm account. Then number 2, how I trade my prop firm accounts. Yes, this is an interesting part. How I trade my prop firm account. You guys already know how I trade, at least those that are on Telegram and must have been following me on YouTube. All right, I trade only high probability trade setups. I only enter a trade on high probability setups. Yes, I know on the Telegram channel I share charts every now and then. Those that have purchased the course can tell firsthand how I trade. All right, and I'm just going to hint you a little right here. In a whole month, in a whole month. It will surprise you to know that maybe I place only just 10 trades or just 15 trades in the whole month. And yes, there are those months where maybe the market is fully trending that I tend to place more trades, all right? But in this current market situation that we are in right now, I place way lesser trades than in a trending market. Last month I placed only, I think, about 10 trades, about 11 trades or so. Was it 11? I'll check about 11 trades or so. So you see, yes, I know I share charts here, but I don't trade everything I post. When I post my charts, when I plan my charts, what I do is I always want to go for the high probability trades. So I go for one trade per time. All right. Now I'm not bashing those that place multiple trades. All right. We all have our different ways or our different approach to trading. All right. But what I've discovered amongst most newbies that I can easily say they are not profitable is they want to take every opportunity they can find in the market, and that is a recipe for disaster. They want to trade every opportunity in the market. So if they have a clear setup on gold, GBP, USD, this and that, you see them place all those trades. Well, I don't know if it works for you, but I'm very, very sure it doesn't, because I've traded that way before. All right, so you can't be trading like that. And when they show you their open trades, you see GBP, you see gold, you see US 30, you just see series or different assets that they are trading at a particular point in time. Now, if you ask me, that's a recipe for disaster. And funny enough, you see them doing this on a very, very small account. All right, so that's one thing that is going to give you problems if you are trading a prop firm account. All right, so when you're trading a prop firm account, because there are rules attached to this account, you don't want to violate these rules. So you want to trade only high probability trade setups. All right, trust me, 10 trades in a month, even if you lose 3, if you lose 4 and you win the others, is going to keep you profitable if you know exactly what you are doing. All right, I'm speaking from experience. I mean, this is how I trade, and look at the withdrawal I just made. All right, so that is proof enough. There's nothing special about my strategy, and that is what makes it special, right? Patience and execution is my biggest edge in the market. That's what keeps me winning. All right, if you have itchy fingers and you want to trade with me, you are going to get very, very impatient, because in a whole week I can place only 1 or 2 trades. All right, and this is what you can do when you trade a big account. All right, I understand that when you are trading a small account, you can't afford to do that because you have things to do with money and you want to make money. So your constant going back to the market looking for that money makes you get bonds, all right, in the long run. And that is why you need a prop firm account if you don't have a big capital for a start. So patience and execution is my biggest edge, and I have talked about 10 different ways I execute trade in my course. So if you are interested, the link is in the description below. All right, now let's go to number 3, how I was able to scale from 1 account to 8 accounts with 5 different prop firms. All right, now when I started out with MFF. Of course, I've blown series of prop firm accounts before. All right, so I'll be lying if I come here to tell you that I've never blown a prop firm account before. All right, but I don't want to go into all of that today or in this video. I want this video to be as short as possible. Right, so I actually started with MFF, the 10K account, right, and that was how I scaled. All right, the first withdrawal I made, I bought an account with MFF. I bought a bigger account. I bought the 100K account. Then I was able to consistently grow that, because now I have a 10K account and I have a 100K account. So it was easy for me to take my time to trade it, right? And after that, I shifted from MFF because I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. So I bought a FTMO account. So from there, I bought the prop trading, which is this withdrawal I made, right? Then I also have a Finotive account and also E8. All right, all these names I just called are prop firm accounts. All right, by the way, before I forget, the link to this particular prop firm which I I'm showing you the withdrawal right now is going to be in the description below. So if you want to open an account with them, just go to the description of this particular video and you're going to find the link there. So that was how I scaled up. Okay, I started with one account, then use the proceeds to purchase another account, and then to the next, and then to the next. All right, so that is what I'll also advise you to do. Start with what you can afford at the moment. Buy one prop firm account, have it at the back of your mind that you're playing a long-time game. All right, forget about flipping accounts can happen. All right, that market condition, when it presents itself, no one tells you. All right, the whole concept of trading is try as much as possible to stay alive. By staying alive, that means your account should be alive for the next big move. Trading, forex trading is just like every other business. You don't go to your place of business. Let's say you're a trader. I'm not talking about forex trader now. Maybe you buy and sell, maybe in the market, or you have a shop, or you have a small business, or whatever business it is that you are doing. But let's say it involves buying and selling. You don't expect to go to your place of business every day and make a consistent amount of money every day out of the market. No, it's not possible. There are days you are going to experience low sale, and there are days you are going to experience high sales. Right now, that is how it is in forex trading. All you need to focus on is staying alive for the big move. Big moves come, you can't tell when they come. All right, but be comfortable with taking your small profits here and there. Take your small profits here and there. That is why most times when I trade, I don't even use take profit, except maybe I see a danger along the line. So what I do is, once I enter my trade, I place my stop loss. Very important. Then I watch my trades from time to time. I think sometimes every 4 hours, if I'm not comfortable with the zone, if I'm expecting something to happen within that zone. All right, so I watch, and then maybe when I see something, maybe something about changing, what I do, I close that trade, or I secure some profit. Then I bring my stop loss to break even and all of that. Well, let me not dive too deep into all of that. So all I'm saying is, just make sure you stay alive for the big move. All right, try to take whatever you can get. If you're trading a very small account, if it's $1, $2, just take it and be comfortable with it, so that you will be available when the big move comes. Remember, trading goes beyond just 1 trade, 2 trades, 5 trades, 10 trades. All right, you are a successful trader when you are trading, when your trade count is over 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000. And I'm not talking about across blown accounts now. I'm talking about a real account. All right, I'm talking about a single account. All right, make sure you manage the trying times, stay alive during the trying period, and so that when that big move happens, you make a lot of money. All right, so I think I've talked on the 3 points I had in mind to talk about. Number one, how I trade the prop firm account, which I've talked about, how I was able to scale from 1 account to 8 accounts with 5 different prop firms. I've also talked about how I started with 1 account and scaled up from there, and I think that will be all for now. So make it a date with us on the Telegram group tomorrow. I want to have a conversation. Let's have a conversation on Telegram, the Telegram voice chat. I've already scheduled the meeting on the channel. All right, though I shared the link in the discussion group, so you can just click the link to come to the channel. All right, 12 p.m. Nigerian time tomorrow. All right, the countdown is there, so it aligns with whatever time frame you are. All right, so you can just feel free, come with any question you may have to ask me. Even if it's regarding this video, is fine. Let's just have a conversation, let's talk, and let's have fun. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment, and help us grow this channel. All right, and before I also forget, if you're interested in learning how I trade, if you want to trade like me, I know I'm good. All right, this is not bragging, I know. All right, so, and I believe you know too. So if you're interested in learning how to trade like me, the link is going to be down below. There's a discount going right now, and there are a lot of bonuses that comes with purchasing the course. You'll be added to my Signal group, and you get to enjoy free Signal for as long as 3 months. All right, so if you're interested, The link is going to be down below, so just click the link and it will take you to our sales page. All right, and if you are not interested in purchasing the course, that is fine too. We'll keep making these videos for you guys regardless. All right, so this is the end of the video, and I just want you to be encouraged. If I can make this, if I can do this, you can also do this. All right, this opportunity is available to all. All right, just develop the right mindset and take advantage of it. All right, that is all. Just take action. All right, so if you're interested in trading with this particular prop firm, the link is going to be down below. Just go there, click the link, and purchase your accounts with them. All right, so bye, see you in the next video. Bye.